Hello, this is the second workshop video provided by the National Honor Society. First, I would like to thank all the students who participated in the NHS survey earlier this month. Your input helped to guide us in the right direction for this video. As a result of your participation, we'll be covering how to effectively use Google. So an important element is learning to effectively use Google Hangouts, as we use it for our classes, office hours, and any other meetings that we need to attend during the day. To begin with, we can add other individuals or invite them to our sessions by clicking the Invite People button up top. When you click it, you will send an invite to others by adding their name or email address into the chat bar. You can also open the chat bar when you are in a group of 2 or more by clicking the blue chat button. It will open and close it, and you can use it to communicate without using your mic. Next, you can use your camera and mic by pressing the mic button up top next to Invite People and the camera button up top next to the microphone button. You can also screen share with other individuals by clicking the green screen share button in the left-hand corner by your apps. After you click it, you can choose to screen share your entire screen or a specific screen that you have in mind. To follow the presenter, you simply click their icon in the bottom part of your screen. Normally it will be their picture. If they are screen sharing, it will be the screen they are presenting, and if they have a webcam, it will be their video that you are clicking on. So this is the basics of your Google Hangouts. So next we'll learn about our Google Docs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Grace Becker, and today I'm going to be talking about creating, sharing, and organizing in your school Google Drive. First of all, to even get into your Drive, you click this icon up here and click the Drive button, which will take you directly to your Drive. Okay, the first thing you need to know how to do in here is how to create folders. So how you do that, there's 2 ways to do that. You can either click this new button up here, which gives you the options of what to create, or you can simply right click on the screen and it lets you do it that way as well. So I'm just going to right click and click the new folder, and it asks for a name, so I'm just going to go ahead and put one in. And click create. And voila, you have a new folder. Alright, the next thing you have to know how to do is how to share folders. So how you do that, you right click on whatever you want to share, and you see this share button, and you can click that, and it gives you 2 options of how to share. So you can either share with a link, meaning that everyone who has this link can, in this case, view your folder or whatever you're sharing with them. You can change this view to edit if you want them to be able to edit also. And I'm just going to keep it at view. The other way you can do it is simply put in the individual email addresses of whoever you want to share with. So I'm just going to do that with my personal email, and I'm going to change the edit to only view and hit send, and they'll receive an invitation. Alright, the next thing that I think is extremely important, and I know you all have heard this so many times, but I promise organization will make your life easier. I promise. So, for example, don't let, Google Docs, Google Slides just float around. Make individual files and folders for different categories. Like, for me, I have a random folder called random, and I just put whatever doesn't fit in a subject folder or whatever else. And it's really helpful in the long run, promise. Anyway, that's my spiel about Google Drive, and I hope it was helpful. See you next time.
This presentation will show you how to use Google Documents and presentations properly. In a document across the top, you can see the function bar, which will allow you to change the properties of what you are writing, such as alignment, bolding, and size. In the upper right, you'll see the sharing tab, which will allow you to collaborate with other users using their email. In the upper left, you'll see the naming tab, which will allow you to properly label the document, as well as the function tabs, which will allow you to do such things as insert images and tables. Presentations are laid out fairly similarly, with the only exceptions being presentation mode, where you can go into the presentation or previewing as other people would see it, and you are able to create new slides using the plus button and change their layout using the arrow next to it. On the left side, there's a list of the slides that you've created and what they're for. Something similar to the preview mode, but smaller. There are also more functions in the function bar that you can use specific to the presentation, such as a new transition. They will generally appear on the right side of the screen.
Thank you for watching our presentation, and we hope you found it useful. Have a great rest of your day, and please look forward for our next video.